Opar time here at Unique, especially in classics. And look at this one, 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Nice looking two-door hardtop, has it a repaint to Panther Pink. Also has a 340 six-pack underneath the hood now. That would not be the original engine to this car. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, equipped with power steering, power brakes. Go ahead and let you take a close look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. You see how those look. Paint shows nice. You are going to find a few imperfections here and there, maybe just some real light scratching or a touch up. When I see something I'm talking about, I kind of try to point it out to you a little bit. Yeah, we can see this. I mean, just real minor things, not talking about anything major. Again, be a great car as far as the paint showing well. Need a few things to take it to the next level. I'll kind of hit on a couple of those that I noticed going around it too. Now, if you want to check out still pictures so you can see the interior of the engine bay, undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. One of the things the text mentioned, tires do show some age, maybe something you want to replace in the near future. But you can look up and down the car, you can see appears to be straight. Look like a real thick car. It's had a ton of body work to it. Interior black vinyl. Buckets, of course, with that 4-speed down on the floor. Barracuda dash. You can decode the data tag. This is, yes, a true Barracuda. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We did do some carb work on this, and like I said, I'll fire it up, let you hear it run. Another thing that the text did mention is speedo is in op, as well as the temp gauge. The gauges that need some attention. I believe the fuel gauge as stated worked, was not the most accurate, so you'd want to kind of figure that out with miles, or just make sure you understand where the fuel gauge is at on it. Remember, still pictures, check out the underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, call us 507-386-1726. Kind of a little spot right here in the paint I'm talking about, but that's kind of, like I said, the minimal. You might have a few little spots like that, imperfections here and there. But going down the driver's side, you get a good idea of the condition. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Again, black vinyl bucket seats. One thing I noticed too, the wipers, a little intermittent as far as going all the way in their cycle and back. Wipers may take a little bit of attention. For the door panels, seats, and you'll be able to see in the still pictures, back seats, condition of those and everything there. Headliner, a few wrinkles in it. Coming down a little spot in the rear. Again, kind of one of those, you tinker with it, drive it the way it is a little bit, or take it to the next level, have some fun. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. It does have an aftermarket stereo and at Kenwood, and it did have that working. Up just a little bit here. There you can see that stereo again, Kenwood, and it does work. Alternator gauge does seem to work, ramp gauge. Fuel gauge did come up, but like I said, tech noted that it was not completely accurate, so something to keep in mind. Alright, make sure we're warmed up. Clear those carbs out a little bit. Idle down. Flip around to the back so you can hear it. A little rumble coming out of that 340. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I got to pop these hood pins and release the hood. And let's check out that engine bay. See how that looks and wrap.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. As you can see, it looks like we got a newer master cylinder, booster, power brakes, power steering. It's a 346 pack. Again, not representing his original engine. That is paired up to that 4-speed manual transmission. Nice and tidy, give you an idea how that looks and sounds. 1970 Plymouth Cuda. 340 under the hood. Now give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract.